Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a fabulous day. Today, I'm so excited because I am part of the Best of British Junk Journal. It's a collaboration that's been pulled together by the lovely Rachel from Rachel and Bella Craft, and this collaboration is to feature an amazing team of UK YouTube creators. So the kind and lovely Rachel invited me to take part, and I'm very delighted to do so because this collaboration just showcase brand new and also established YouTube creators, YouTube channels that are UK based. Okay, so it's very excited. So thank you so much, Rachel, for inviting me. I'm over the moon. So the collaboration feature a pair of artists. So each artist has got a partner. If you click on the hashtag Best of British Brits JJ Junk Journal. So if you click on the hashtag on the title, will take you to a playlist where you can see all the videos from previous collaborators. So this collaboration has begun on the 12th of September 2025 and showcased a fabulous digital papers that be created from Rachel and Bella Craft. All links are listed in the info box, and also you can visit Rachel and Bella Craft website, which is www.rachandbellacraft.com, so you can see all the digital papers available. I have two videos coming up. So one, of course, today, which is the 28th of September, and my collaborator is Dave from Dash It Off Dave. So Dave video will be up tomorrow. So today is the 28th, is my day. Tomorrow is Dave days, which he will create a video taking inspiration from one of my videos. So that's what we're going to do. So today I'm going to recreate one of Dave's video. Dash of Dave. So two notes about Dave. Dave is from Batley in West Yorkshire. Now we're quite close because I'm from South Yorkshire. Dave is from West Yorkshire, but he's originally from Warwickshire, so not far away. Dave is a passionate maker, and he loves junk journal, ephemera, and in general creative paper crafting, which very similar to me. We have lots of things in common. And he's got a lovely partner from Hungary, and when he paper craft, he helps with manage his autism and his general mental health, very similar to me. And I love crafting because, especially when we have busy lives, it really supports mental health and make sure we have a piece and as a way to create and craft to get our mood down as well. So keep watching. I'm going to showcase one of Dave's project. I will put all the links in the info box. So let me show you what I'm going to do now. Okay, so to make these envelopes, they're very simple to make, and the reason why I selected this project is because of how simple and easy it was. Sometimes it's project that you don't have to think a lot or measurements, etc. So the only thing that we need to kind of not measure but kind of like do precise is drawing one line from corner to corner. This is a square, okay? So mine measures 7 by 7. Okay, so we draw a line, and the reason why I chose a music sheet paper is because it's very thin. Now you can use cardstock to make these envelopes. However, you might struggle a little bit when you fold it, because when we fold it we add layers to the paper. Okay, so I want mine to be quite thin. It really helps you with the folding. Okay, so we draw a diagonal line from corner to corner, and what we do now, we just simply fold one corner from the bottom, the one facing you, and we follow this diagonal line. Okay, so we just need to make sure that it's right sharp to the bottom. Now this is the only accuracy bit that we need to make sure it's right, but it takes like 2 seconds, and then we do exactly the same on the other side. And that's exactly the reason why I picked, oopsie, excuse about my folding board, but it desperately needs cleaning. There is gold paint, there is gold wax, it's all sorts. Okay, so now, so we got this sort of like kite shape. So this corner here from the bottom, we're gonna lift it up, and we're just gonna go, we pass this line. So we're not gonna go up to this line here, we're just gonna pass it by about 1/2 inch. Okay, and that will help us folding it and keeping it shut. Okay, again, I'm gonna enforce the fold, and then this one here, you fold it back to itself until you reach that line here, like so. So you've got a little bit of a lap there. Okay, so now we open it up. Okay, so let me show you again. Oopsie. Right, sorry guys, the postman is here. Okay guys, sorry about that. Amazon got little parcel. Right, so I'm not sure what I said. So we folded the corner, and then we lift this up, and then we got that little loop upwards. Okay, so keep it upwards. I'll show you in a minute why. So now we got this really cute pentagon shape. Okay, so now turn it over, so this corner here is facing on your right, and then we got to fold those two segments inwards. So this corner here, we're gonna lift it up until this corner here meets this diagonal line. Okay, like I'll show you, like so. Okay, so we got this little lap. So from there we fold it inwards, so this corner stays sharp. And then we do exactly the same on the other side. Okay, just gonna burnish the fold line there. So we got like so. And now we're just gonna open up and then fold the line that we just done on the other way around. So we got this little pocket there, if it makes sense, and then we do the same on the other side. So open it up and then fold it on the other, exactly the other way. So mountain to folding sort of shape. Okay, so as you can see, we already have the extending bit of our envelope. Okay, so what we need to do now, we just need to glue this little bit there and nearly there. So open it up again. So we're just going to put some adhesive on here on the bottom. Now you can use glue, or you can use any sort of dry adhesive that you want. Now, as you know, I love my double-sided tape because I like how quick it is instead of waiting for the glue to dry, and also it's very precise. So don't go over to that little triangle, so stop before, and I'm just going to put double-sided tape Okay, so simply fold it back up and just put a little pressure. Now, if you use glue, just take an extra time to make sure everything dries. And that's how we get the expanding side of the pocket. Okay, so now this little triangle here, we're just going to glue it backwards. So just need a little piece of glue or double-sided tape, again, whatever is your favorite adhesive, and then we just fold it back. Okay, so that's your expanding envelope. Now this will be the lid, of course, that's folded over. The beauty of it, you decide how far you can go, so you can fold it like so, or simply if you want to follow this triangle, you follow like that. So it's completely up to you. Now, because I quite like this sort of shape, I think I'm going to go further back down like so. Okay, and that's your expanding envelope. Super cute, super easy. So what I'm going to do now, just going to use Rachel's and Bella's papers. So these are the papers that I'm going to be using across my 2 videos. I love these collages. So all the papers and the ephemera pack, look at that. This is probably one of my favorite ever page. I will put all the link of the kit down below in the info box, so you can go and purchase it and support Rachel and Bella Craft. Okay, so let me show you what I'm up to so far. So I have used this page here. So there was the teapot there, and then there was this piece here, which is this one on the back, and then on here there was this bit here. So you can use this page as an entirety, or you can cut the little bits and pieces. And then I use those 2 here from the one of the ephemera pages, and I have used my zigzag pages to create this sort of like stamps effect. So the back is this one here, so it looks like this, and I distressed everything using my distress oxide. The color is Vintage Photo. Okay, and then so that's the back sort of the envelope. Now what I wanted to show you for the closure, so you can leave it like that of course, but for the closure I'm using the little post stamp in there. I glued it just to give a bit more strength on a piece of one of the scraps from the music notes paper, and then just on this side here, I don't know if the camera can see it, so just on this little bit I use my thin double-sided tape. So this gonna work as closure. So how? So I'm gonna flatten the lid down, position this little stamp so it works as a closure, and I just glued the bottom bit. Okay, so it works, so you can use that as a closure like so, and it stays perfectly shut. Okay, so you can put your goodies in, anything, close it, and then put it like so, so it stays shut. Now this can be a floating envelope for your journal, or you can put it inside a pocket. Oh, it's so cute, so cute. Right, I'm going to go. I don't want to make this video unnecessarily long. Please go and follow Dave from Stash of Dave. His video is tomorrow, so you see mine today and his is tomorrow, and see he's going to replicate one of my project. I don't know yet, he hasn't shared with me yet, so I'm excited to see what Dave is going to make. And also if you click on the hashtag on the title, that will take to all the videos from all the previous collaborators that I shared project following this huge oopsie daisy, I just dropped my ruler, from this collaboration. Guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to check out Rachel and Bella papers, and all the links are listed in the info box. Okay, have a wonderful day. Big thumbs up once again, and until next video, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.